What's up, guys? It's your girl, Coach Salter, and I'm about to attempt for the first time to make homemade bread. I made homemade blueberry jelly the other day, and I'm going to apply that to this bread. That's going to be a little bit later on in the video, okay? So y'all stay tuned, watch that. I just got done working an off-duty gig at a church. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and get my day started. I am starving, so I'm about to make me some breakfast. So y'all watch me, stay tuned on that, and yeah. Alright, so before I start my breakfast, I want to go ahead and mix all the ingredients for the bread and get that situated and let that sit, because I heard that's supposed to sit for about an hour and a half. So while that's sitting doing its due, I'm gonna cook breakfast, I'm gonna eat, and then we'll get into the bread video when things start popping off. All right, let's get into it. As you can see, I'm mixing in all the ingredients. I got the bread flour, the yeast, the water, and the salt. The four main ingredients in my bread. Rest, my love. You just rest. So while that dough is resting peacefully, go ahead and cook me some breakfast in the meantime. So this is just some oil that I use for my plantains. It's olive oil and coconut oil mixed together. But it's also some good oil for when I make my eggs, which is what I'm about to do right now. Y'all just sit back and relax and enjoy me making my breakfast. Now let's get into this bread. So the bread has been resting for an hour and a half, and now it's time to knead it and get it ready to rest for an additional hour and a half. And then we're gonna place that sucker in the So as you can see, I forgot to butter the bowl, and later on in the video, I forgot to butter the pan. So yeah, I had a little situation, but I got it figured out and everything worked out. We'll be able to see where I did not oil or butter the pan the first time. It is definitely sticking to the pan. So I had to take it out, re-knead it, reset it for an additional hour. And this is the finished product before going into the oven. So I placed the oven on preheat at 425, and this is me checking on it. And I reduced the heat to about 375, and that was 30 minutes in. And I set my timer for 45 minutes. And the bread is ready. Time to take it out, let it cool, and slice it up. The girl had to put on a coat. It was cold. But anyways, getting the bread out, about to cut it up, and let's see how that baby looks. So I'm not the best cutter in the world, and I did cut them thick because I didn't want to cut too thin of a slice and then it ended up breaking. So I just was being very cautious with this, and I also need to get another knife with the bread, but it still sliced really, really well. mean, look how beautiful this bread looks. Nice, fluffy. Wow. I did pretty good. Definitely room for improvement, but look at that. That baby was baked to perfection. So I really wanted to feel official. So they're going in the bag, the bread bag. It's a nice touch. Grocery store ready, baby. It's gonna be one bread. Right. We gonna try it on
Camera, yeah.
there. Do you want this piece?
Smells good.
Stick that there just for a second.
Reminds me of that sourdough bread. Sourdough bread.
Mm-hmm. Try not to make it go all the way through. That's why it's not going all the way through. It's terrible. Okay, cool. So I know what I'm looking for, and if I don't like it, I just go by. So now, gotta show the jelly again.
Now you make the jelly out of what? Blueberries?
Mm-hmm, blueberries.
All right, so basically, this is me and my mom trying the bread. I was exhausted, okay? So I did not sound the cheerfulest. So we're gonna try the bread first without it being toasted or without anything on it.
That's what.
Good. Mm-hmm. So, let's make the bread in there.
Do taste like a piece of bread. That's nice.
Everybody buy it. That crunch.
Yeah, you don't want to be in it. That's good.
All right, so now we're gonna try it toasted, one with butter and one with jelly. And I'm gonna try the one with butter first.
That's pretty good. Oh, good.
That jelly is good. You made it. Not too sweet at all.
Let's see. Let me try it with just the jelly then. Pretty good. I never had blueberry jelly before, so I don't really know what the taste is supposed to be like. So I figure
Well,
that's it.
that's
The only thing I can compare it to is that.
girl, you can sell that bread.
Thank you. Really good.
Yeah,
So yummy.
you can sell that bread, girl. Shoot, yeah, people buy that bread.
Well, alright. I'm tired. I'm gonna go sleep. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe. Good night. Good morning.
Thanks, y'all, for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. Bye.